Unit 1. My New School. A Special Day.
Hi. Hi, Fong. Are you ready? Just a minute. Oh, this is Dwi, my new friend. Hi, Dwi. Nice to meet you. Hi, Fong. I live near here, and we go to the same school. Good. Your school bag looks heavy. Yes! I have new books, and we have new subjects to study. And a new uniform, Dewey. You look smart. Thanks, Fong. We always look smart in our uniforms. Let me put on my uniform. Then we can go.